Let's introduce how to crimp open barrel terminals with crimping pliers. First of all, we look at the open barrel terminals. Crimping part is divided into two ends. The end part is wrapped in the wire insulation above. The middle part is wrapped in a core. So when we strip the wire, we only need to strip the length of the part that wraps around the wire core. Then look at our crimping pliers. Each jaw has a corresponding crimping range. Crimping the corresponding wide gauge terminals into the corresponding jaws. The jaws are divided into two parts. The front part is to crimp the insulation part. It will be a little bigger. The back part is for crimping the core. This is a 1/4 AWG wire. Put the terminal into the 2.5 square millimeters jaws like this. And press the terminal with a little bit of force, then put the wire into the terminal. Press hard on the handle until you hear the ratchet click. The pliers automatically release when the crimp is complete.